What's good, y'all? Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to another video, man. So today we are reacting to a day in the life of American truck driver. So let's get right into this video.
But man, let me tell you, people weren't paying attention, and so a cop told her the only way.
Me personally, bro, I don't play with trucks. You feel me? I used to be scared to even be right next to a semi, but now I really don't care about it. But I don't play with them, bro. If I feel like I don't have enough space to turn it to get in front of you, you know what I mean? Because y'all gotta understand, like trucks don't stop as quick as a car does. Like y'all have to realize that shit. I don't think people understand that. Just because you have a small compact car does not mean anything. Anything. Doesn't mean you can squeeze into a tiny spot in front of a truck. You see a truck coming, hurry up and no, bro. That truck can easily smack you in your life. Like be cautious, be careful.
Millions of views now.
What? That's a road rage rears its ugly head as an IVG express truck passes on the shoulder to go. Like, it's that serious? Like, sometimes it be that serious, but you a big ass truck now. Where you gotta go, bro? It is not that deep. You could have chilled right there and waited. But some people got road rage. They gotta get the gone. I personally don't think it's that serious. You definitely get a ticket off that. Look at that. Look at that. Bro, what? That nigga drunk. He had a couple shots.
What the?
I don't understand that, bro. I'm gonna stop pausing it because this shit pisses me off. Why jump in front? I don't know why people do this. Jump in front of a car and don't hit their brakes. I mean, don't speed up. They just hit their brakes. It's slow down. I don't get that. If you gotta go with the flow of traffic. You can't just get dart out in front of somebody and go slow as hell, bro. Like I really just be want to say fuck my car and crash into that dumbass. Like I swear, bro. Oh wow, and it's raining. Boy, I couldn't be no truck driver. I'd be fighting everybody out that bitch. I'd be wanting to scrap with everybody. I'd be wanting to scrap with everybody. Look at that. They gonna hit the brakes. Like you can't do that. That truck can smack you, bro. What? For what? Verification officer driver gets 3 tickets, false report, brake check, unsafe lane change. Don't be this Karen. So I'm assuming he's gonna try to go around. Bro, people are so impatient. Like, just wait. Why are you so impatient, bro? Where do you have to be? Where do you have to be so bad? It's not that serious. Look at that. Look at that. Like a dumbass. And then when he's smacking the back of you and kill you, then what? It's his fault. Got him, dumbass. What is you? Oh, what? And them be the main ones that swear they know how to drive, but they ain't do nothing wrong. Pedestrian had the right of way in the crosswalk. You didn't seem like they saw the pedestrians in the last second. Las Vegas. Wait, let me go back. What happened? I don't think I could be a truck driver. You gotta lay off the pipe. Boy, if he reverse, what the fuck? Yeah, cuz drunk as fuck. Cuz lit his hand. What the? You straight? Yo. People do that every day. That's nothing new. And he wasn't even supposed to turn. Illegal. Where is this? Cali? This look like Cali. I'm gonna tell y'all, people do that every day. People do that every single day. But if y'all enjoyed that video, man, go ahead and like, comment, and subscribe. I truly appreciate it. Catch me in my next video. Peace out.